Guys like my new luscious locks? I just got out of the shower and I was about to film a video. I just got this like curling iron thing and I was gonna film a video on it. And then I realized the spot that I want to film it at is very messy and I do not like working in messy spots. So that leads me to cleaning. So I'm just gonna take like 20 minutes, clean this little spot, and then I'll probably film that video. We'll see. My vanity is usually obviously against the wall. I pulled it away from the wall so that I can get to whatever that is. There's a little basket down there, but it looks like I've just been tossing things in there little by little. Hi, kitty. What's up? So we have this ginormous mess. By the way, random. This is a really adorable little trash can that I keep in my vanity. It obviously needs to be clean, and the white matches in my vanity. So anyway, that's some random flip-flops. These are actually not even mine, they're Brennan's, so that's gonna go in his pile. We have a lot of like hair tools, which is actually what this basket was supposed to be for. So I have hair straightener, little blow dryer, like brush thingy, and I do have my blow dryer behind me as well. Makeup bags, an old smoke detector, so that's trash. Eye gels, I actually forgot about this. This probably came in my Fit Fab Fun box. Fit Fab Fun? Oh my god, I'm blanking on the name. These are like those like eye gels. I really like these actually, so let's put those up there. Oh my god, I forgot about these. We went to Ireland, I don't even know, like 6-7 years ago now, and I found this like really amazing foundation, and I bought a bunch. I actually think this is it, but this has gotta be like 7 years old now. Oh my gosh. All the like old makeup-y stuff I'm just gonna toss. Like, we do not need that. Okay, I feel a little better about that. That was actually a mess, and there's a lot of random things in there, so don't really know where I'm gonna put them, so I'm gonna go try and find some spots for these things here, because I still want to keep obviously the makeup and all that, but I don't have room in my makeup drawers right now because I have other makeup, so I'm gonna go find some spots for them, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, now that the bottom part of the vanity is done, I'm gonna tackle the actual desk and vanity. A lot of the things that I didn't know where to put, I just kind of plopped right there. We just did some laundry earlier, so there's some clothes that I still haven't put away that are here. Also, ignore this hair. I just took it out of my towel. I'm gonna brush it out and let it dry so that I can try that new Chi like hair wrap thingamajig. So here's the vanity. So obviously a lot of things I gotta go through. Some of these are actually really empty, and I just went to Ulta yesterday and bought like replacements for it. For example, this rose water is basically done. I bought a new rose water from Trader Joe's actually the other day. I got some new hairspray to try out with the Chi, and then just a couple of things I gotta put away that I bought yesterday. So let's get to that. Good morning, guys. It's actually a few days after that last footage that you saw of me cleaning my vanity. The cheek curler video should be out by now, so if you haven't checked that out, please go give that a like. So this morning I actually took Charlie to the groomers, so she's not here right now, and usually when I take her to the groomers, I like to really deep clean the bedroom, which is where she spends most of her time. It's where she sleeps, where she takes her naps and hangs out and plays and whatnot. So since she's not here today, I think I'm gonna do a nice little clean of this very messy bedroom. I will show you in a second, but as you can see, the vanity that I cleaned like 5 days ago is already a mess. Underneath it is not that bad, but I do like to use the desk part as, you know, a clothes holder. You know how people just have that like chair in the corner of their room where they throw all their clothes? Well, mine's my vanity. So we're gonna clean this all up. Most of it's actually pretty clean. It just needs to be folded and put away and whatnot. I do wanna start first with making sure that the bed sheets go in the laundry so that by the time we're done cleaning, these are nice and clean. I do really like to kind of shake out the bed sheets outside beforehand, since we do have a cat and a dog that love to sleep on the bed and nap on the bed and play on the bed. So I do normally like to do that to get all the like hair out, so it's not just kind of getting mixed in the washer. However, it is heavily raining today, so unfortunately I am not going to really be able to do that. I'm going to give him a little shake in the laundry room, but I obviously don't want hair going everywhere. All right, guys, we are finished cleaning. That did not take too long. The room wasn't too messy. I do love the way carpet looks when it's freshly vacuumed. The only thing I do have left is to put the bed sheets onto the bed. That's probably gonna take about another hour in the dryer. Gotta put away the rest of those blankets and towels. And yeah, that's our little tiny room. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for me today. Ignore my sweatiness. I'm gonna probably hop in the shower, and then by then Charlie should be ready to get picked up. The only thing I have left is to put the bed sheets on the bed, which will probably take another hour in the dryer and whatnot, and then this room is clean. It's a fairly small room, so it's really not that bad to clean. So it really only took me about a half hour from start to finish. Really wasn't that bad, but it sure feels good. It is raining outside, but it is like in the low 40s, so I think I'm gonna open up the windows just a little bit, as long as the rain doesn't come in, and just kind of air out the room. I have a pretty fun video planned for, I think, next week, so definitely stay tuned for that. That's gonna do it for today. Please like and share the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys next time.